Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can get a crisp white border around your watercolour paintings, like in this painting that I did a couple of years ago. Of course, doing this is entirely optional, but I think it adds a really lovely finish to any painting. So let me show you how I do this. You'll need masking fluid, something to put it in, I use a tea light holder, something to apply it with, I use a bamboo pen, and masking tape. The masking tape I use is at least 48mm wide. Another item you might wish to use is a set square. I use this to make sure that the area I'm masking off is completely square. I have to admit that I don't always use this and sometimes I do it by eye. I start with stretched watercolour paper. I then place my masking tape around the area which I'm going to be painting. I like my white borders to be around 1 inch wide, so I allow for this when I'm placing my tape. As I said previously, you can use a set square to make sure this is completely square, or you can do it by eye. Once all the sides have been masked off, it's time to apply the masking fluid. I apply the masking fluid to the edge of my masking tape so that it protects my white border from any water or paint that may want to get underneath the masking tape. I make sure that I seal every edge and every join, because I've learnt from experience that unless I do this, water and paint will find its way underneath my masking tape and ruin my pristine white borders. And that's it. Allow the masking fluid to dry thoroughly before you paint, or you might well ruin your brushes. That's another thing I've learnt from experience. Thanks for watching.